Hi, I'm Donna Roberts.
And I'm Sydney Blackman.
We're with eXp Realty, and we want to present to you this beautiful home that is just coming to market at 19300 Southeast 30th Street.
It's in the Terrace at Fisher's Landing, just off 192nd, and easy accessibility to all the freeways.
So what do you need to know about this? Is it in Fisher's Landing? Well, technically the legal description says that, but this home is in the Camas School District. You are close to medical centers, parks, trails, coffee, shopping, but it's a tucked away, darling little neighborhood. Let's come inside and check out this great house.
If you would like any more information on this beautiful property, don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to show you around.